Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Archita. I am the student of Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore, SEM First SEM from the DO section. My campus ID is 23CA1945. I am belonging to the Department of Basic Science, Branch Artificial Intelligence. Course title is Principle of Programming Using C. Course code BPOPS103. Topics I am going to discuss in the video is program to print a factorial of a number and program to print a Fibonacci series. Contents I am going to discuss: introduction, definition about the factorial of a number and Fibonacci series, program to print a factorial of a number, program to print a Fibonacci series, and conclusion. Let us see the introduction about the programs factorial of a number and Fibonacci series. Factorial of a number. A factorial is a function that multiplies a number by every number below it till 1. A factorial is a function that multiplies a number by below it till 1. For example, the factorial of 3 represents the multiplications of a numbers 3, 2, 1. Therefore, 3 factorial equals 3 into 2 into 1. And the 3 factorial is equal to 6. In more mathematical terms, the factorial of a number n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1. For example, if you want to calculate the factorial for 4, you would write 4 factorial equals 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 factorial equals 24. Fibonacci series. The Fibonacci sequence is a type of the series where each number is the sum of the two that precede it. The number in the Fibonacci sequence is also called as Fibonacci numbers. Factorial of a number. In C programming, the factorial of a number non-negative integer n denoted as n factorial is the product of all the positive integers less than or equal to n. The factorial of the function is often implemented using a loop or recursion. Fibonacci series. In the Fibonacci series is a sequence of the numbers in which number is the sum of the two preceding ones. Typically, starting with 0 and 1, the sequence begins 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5 and 8, 13 and continues indefinitely with each number begin the sum of the two preceding ones. Let us discuss the programs. First program is program to print a factorial of a number and second program is program to print a Fibonacci series. Let us discuss the first program to print a factorial of a number. Input. Hash include std.h. Int mine is common in all the program and braces. Int I equals to 1, n, fact equals 1. Integer n equals to 5. If n equals to 0, print f of input not accepted, return 0. Brace else for I equals to 1, I is less than or equal to n, I plus plus. Fact equals facts into I. Print f of factorial of a number, percentage I is percentage I slash n, n fact. When we run the program, the output is factorial of a number 5 is 120. 5 factorial equals 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Process returns. Execution time is 0.013 seconds. Let us discuss the second program to print a Fibonacci series. Hash include stdio.h, int fib of int mine, int c, n. Print f of enter number of the terms, scanf of percentage d and n. For c equals to 1, c is less than or equal to n, c plus plus. Print f of slash percentage d, fib of c, return 0. Int fib of int n. If n equals to 1 and n equals to 2, return 1, else return fib of n minus 2 plus fib of n minus 1. When we run the program, the output is enter number of the terms 10. Let us discuss the conclusion about the programs. Factorial of a number. Finding factorial of a number involves multiplying the number by all the positive integers less than it down to 1. It is represented by the symbol factorial. The factorial of a number n is denoted as n factorial is equal calculated as the product of n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 so on 2 into 1. Fibonacci series. In a Fibonacci series in C, a recursion function can generate the desired sequence of a numbers. This is done by defining a function that takes in the desired length of the sequence and then calls itself with different values until the desired length has been reached. Thank you.